Hey, Joel from Field. Today, we're going to go over how to create invoices and quotes inside the Field CRM. Before diving in, let's talk about some of the benefits of using Field's job workflow. Most software platforms assign separate numbers to jobs, quotes, and invoices. This makes tracking job progress extremely confusing, especially when your business is operating at scale. Field solves this by keeping everything connected. Each job, from the initial quote appointment to the final invoice, is tracked within a single job card with the same ID. This makes managing your jobs simple and gives your customers a consistent experience. To begin, I can create a quote by clicking New and selecting Quote. My business information is already filled in, so all I need to do is add or create the customer profile and add the service. I can include quote terms and even a book online button so the customer can self-schedule if they accept the quote. On the right-hand side, I can fill in more details like the job address, preferred worker, customer assets, and contact info to notify the customer. Once everything is set, I can preview the quote and send it off. If the customer accepts and books the job, Field keeps everything in sync and updates the job card automatically. At that point, Field will also generate an invoice for the job. But if I ever need to create an invoice on its own, the process is just as simple. I can click New and choose Invoice and fill in the necessary information before previewing and sending it to the customer. Everything shown here can also be done in the Field Worker app. This is perfect for estimators or staff working on site who need to deliver fast, professional quotes and help customers book services immediately. If you're looking to further customize quote and invoice style or reminder settings, you can go to Settings, find Communication, and click Email. There, you'll have access to how your quotes and invoices look, as well as control over the emails that get sent to the customers when a quote or invoice is sent. Right below that, you have the payment section, where you can also turn on and configure deposits, prepayments, and pre-authorization for jobs. And that's it. Ready to master your business with Field? Get started for free today.